this video, guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice. And I'm going to show you a great and profitable niche that you can start with as a beginner. And I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel upload videos about trading. This niche is really profitable, and this niche really has high RPM and CPM, and YouTube is paying a lot of money for this niche. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see this channel over here, if we click over here on view channel stage, as you can see this channel in the last 13 days, this channel got 2 million views, guys. 2 million views. They uploaded just 3 videos. 2 million views, that's a lot of money from those views. This channel is really making, it's at least 20k per month. This is at the minimum, at least 20k per month. Yes, because this niche really is profitable, guys. Okay, and it's really easy to start as a beginner with this niche, because I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. Look at this video, for example. It got 1 million views, and this video is still getting views. This is view per hour, as you can see. And those videos are evergreen videos, so meaning that those videos can keep getting views for years, and you can keep making you money for years. Not like trending videos. Trending videos, you can make a video about some topics that are trending now. You will get views and it will stop. Okay, they will not keep getting views like those videos. Okay, so as you can see this one, how to start trading stocks as complete beginners. This video is faceless YouTube video. They are not showing their face or using their voice, so I will make like this one, how to start trading stocks as complete beginner. What I need to do, you just need to go to chat GPT, click over here and ask him make YouTube script about how to start trading. Okay, how to start trading as a beginner. And here you go. Chat GPT will start creating your YouTube script. We'll give you a title and we'll give you introduction, segment 1, segment 2, and so on. What you need to do next is we need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's really easy and simple. Segment 7. Okay, so let's go to the first page. Okay, this is your title, Beginner's Guide to Trading, how to start trading successfully. Introduction, scroll down, segment 1. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one. So what you need to do is just copy your YouTube script and go to Google, search for this website, search for PlayHT. This is an AI voice generator website that you can use for free. You just need to sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. What you will do, click over here on change voice and choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. They have Canadian voiceovers, Australian voiceovers, American voiceovers, even British voiceovers here. Let's check this one.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer. But then, like, you hear a story like that and you're like, yeah, they have this whole universe.
You can see that this voiceover is really, it's like a human voiceover. They are in high quality, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show this one. Chris, just click on the voiceover you want to use, click on confirm, and I'm gonna put my YouTube script here. This is my YouTube script. Click over here on generate speech, and this website will record your YouTube script. And then I'm gonna show you how you can turn this voiceover into an amazing YouTube video. Okay, if you don't want to use AI voiceover, guys, you can use your own voiceover. Just start using your own voiceover. Okay, if you don't want to use your own voiceover but you want to use a human voiceover, go to Fiverr or Upwork. You can find a lot of people search for a voiceover. You can find a lot of people who will record your YouTube script just for like $5 or $10, and you can use a human voiceover. So let's check this one.
Before we jump into the practical steps, let's start with the...
As you can see, click over here. Okay, just click on this icon over here and your voiceover will be download to your laptop. So now we need to make video. What you will do, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. You should see over here video. Click on video because Canva is really beginners. It's friendly and it's easy and simple to use. Okay, so you don't need some crazy skills in editing or something like this. You can just use Canva. This will be your home page. After you click on video, click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload your voiceover. Okay, upload your voiceover. So let me find my voiceover here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it should be over here. This is my voiceover. Open. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. As you can see, click on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Then go to the first page, click between those two pages. Okay, click on add transition. Choose which transition you want to use between your videos. You can also use different transition between each part. So for me, I'm gonna just use the same transition. I'm gonna choose this one, make it to 0.3, click on apply between add page, and here you go. What you need to do next, click over here on elements, click on the search for trading. Click on videos, and here you go. So let's scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here about trading. Okay, I'm gonna use this one for example. Click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background like this, then click on the end of the video, keep clicking and swipe left like this. Click on the next page, scroll and use different video. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. So just keep using this method like this. Make videos short and use different videos. Okay, don't use the same video. You should use different videos to make your video more engaging. I'm gonna use this one. I will click on the next page. I will scroll down and I will use this one over here. Use videos that are related to trading. Okay, I will make it short. Click on the next page, click on elements. Okay, I'm gonna search again. Okay, trading videos, scroll down. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna use this one also like this. We'll make it short. So don't make those videos too much long. You need to make those videos short and use different videos so you can make your video more engaging and professional. Okay, so viewers can enjoy watching your video. I'm gonna use this one. This will be the last one and we will check this video and let me know in the comments guys what's your opinion. Okay, so let's check. It's almost done. And for you should make your video long. Okay, so I'm just showing you how you can do it. You can make your video long. Let's check.
Before we jump into the practical steps, let's start with the basics. Trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies with the goal of making a profit. It's crucial to understand the market. You want to trade in and educate yourself on basic financial. Before we jump into
as you can see guys, we just made Faceless YouTube video about how to start trading for beginners. It's really easy and simple. Okay, after you finish, you just need to click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. And you can get idea from this channel over here. This channel is close. It's close to 1 million subscribers. As you can see, they are getting 2 million views per month, making a lot of money. If you just make like those videos, even if you make just 1,000 per month. That's really a lot of money as a beginner. Okay, you can just start, and the more videos you upload, the more views you will get, the more money you will make. And this niche is working, guys. Okay, so I'm not showing you that you go and start with any niche, okay, with the random niche or something like this. I already did some research, and I found this Faceless YouTube channel, as you can see over here, and those videos, just this one got 1 million views, and this one, as you can see here, it's close to 2 million views. Those videos are still getting views, so it's up to you. You have everything. I hope this video will help you to start your own Faceless YouTube channel. If you have any question or you are interested in any niche, let me know in the comments. Please just leave a comment, like this video, so I can make more videos like this, guys. Okay, so see you in my next video.